Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make liposomal glutathione. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including a good quality ultrasonic cleaner. This method uses sound waves to encapsulate the glutathione, making it more bioavailable. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do at home, offering a cost-effective way to boost your antioxidant intake. Now, let's prepare the solutions. Start by dissolving 5 grams of glutathione powder into 100 milliliters of distilled water. In a separate container, measure out 15 grams of liquid sunflower lecithin. Once both are ready, gently combine them. Stir well to ensure the glutathione is fully dispersed before moving on to the sonication process. Next, it's time for sonication. Carefully pour your combined mixture into the ultrasonic cleaner. Run the cleaner for a 30-minute cycle, allowing the sound waves to create the liposomes. After 30 minutes, let the solution rest for 10 minutes. Repeat this sonication and rest cycle 2 to 3 times to ensure optimal encapsulation. Once the sonication is complete, your liposomal glutathione is ready. Carefully transfer it into an airtight glass bottle. Store this bottle in the refrigerator where it will remain potent for up to 3 weeks. For general health support, a typical dosage is 5 milliliters daily. This easy method provides a fresh, effective supplement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.